Hello friend, as you know the principle of the electrical discharge grinding as we have discussed in detail. Today we'll discuss about the wire electrical discharge grinding. Wire electrical discharge grinding is the special version of the microviradium. The wire electrical discharge grinding process is considered as the finishing process where the purpose is to obtain the good surface quality. In grinding process, we are not considering the surface quality, but this is a special type of the machine that is used for the achieving the good surface quality. So this process is applied at the last to get the surface quality. There is a no mechanical contact between the tool and workpiece, but the aim is to get the surface finish. Wire electrical discharge grinding is the material removing process to obtain the better surface finish. It is a type of grinding used for grind micro precise component. So this process is not applied generally in the normal requirement, but when some special requirement about the tolerances and surface quality, so at that time you can use the wire electrical discharge grinding. Here we discuss about the working of the wire electrical discharge grinding. uh, it's a similar process of the turning. You know that how turning machine work. Basically in that we have stationary tool and rotating workpiece. Uh, Workpiece is fixed in the chuck. So we gradually we are moving the tool towards the workpiece, so it will remove the material. So in a in a turning machine we have two axes. One is the z axis and one is the x axis. So that in one direction you can reduce the diameter, in second direction you can do the turning along the length. So the same principle was used in this process, but it is combined with the electrical circuit. So simple RC circuit generates pulses that produce the electrical discharge between the workpiece, that is cathode, and the 100 micron brass wire, that is anode. The discharge occur across a small gap, that is 2 micron, as we have discussed in earlier two process, that is EDM and EDG. So same principle we are using over here, but some with some modification. And the same dielectric oil or dielectric fluid that is used, the workpiece is held vertically in a mandrel that rotates at 3000 rpm, and that is fed into the z direction slowly. Here we have a schematic diagram of the wire radium. You can see that here we have a feed direction which is connected with the spindle basically, and it will rotate up to the 3000 rpm, and that you can imagine the diameter is only 150 micron, and here we have 50 micron diameter. Here you can see that electric discharge. Here you can see that is we have a electrical discharge that is between the wire and the tool. The tool is rotating and wire is also moving in the wire guide, and this hole is filled with the machining oil, or we can say dielectric fluid. Here you can see that this is a RC circuit, resistance and capacitor circuit, to generate the pulses. So there is a tool or mandrel is connected, the negative and the positive is connected with the wire, brass wire basically. So what will happen when we supply the pulses to the mandrel and wire, or we can say workpiece. So workpiece is rotating. Here what we are doing, we are generating the spark with the help of this voltage. So this spark will generate the high temperature, and that will be the main source of the material removal process. Basically material will get converted into vapor, and that vapor which is carried by the wire. These are some diagram that how wire will move from. You can see that here we have supply plus pulley. So the wire will rotate on the pulley, and that was guided by the some ideal pulley. And the diameter is 100 micron diameter, and material is brass. And the velocity that is the wire will travel from the workpiece, that is 340 micron per second. So you can imagine the accuracy of this we can say mechanism. Here we have a very low velocity 340 micron per second. You can just imagine the velocity, even diameter 100 micron. The gap between the two electrode, we can say the tool and workpiece, is to 2 micron. So it should require the CNC controller to with the servo mechanism to get the accurate result. These some parameters that are mainly affecting in the MRR as well as the surface quality. As we have discussed earlier, this wire EDM process, wire EDG process is used only for the surface quality. So it is not used for the material removal rate. So here we have some parameter like voltage. Voltage is very important parameter in the case of the wire EDG process, because the electrical energy which is converted into thermal energy, and the thermal energy which is used to remove the material. So material removal process is totally depend upon the voltage parameter. So you can read this. Second is the capacitance. Capacitance parameter is the second factor that affect the discharge energy during the wire EDG process. High capacitance value decrease the machining time. However, this gives the higher surface roughness because of the high electrode wear. For large surfaces, high capacitance value is needed. Lower capacitance value result in the better surface quality. For the precision work, the capacitance value should be low enough at the finishing stage. So the value of capacitance is also a very important parameter, because when the capacitance is very high, you will get the less surface finish, or we can say higher surface roughness. As we are decreasing the capacitance, we are getting the good surface finish. So it is depend upon the your application of what is your requirement in the surface finish. As per your requirement, you can decide the capacitance. Spindle speed also one important parameter. The spindle speed is another parameter, has that effect on the electrode fabrication process. Spindle speed affect the indirectly the material removal rate. In general, for micro EDM operation, if the spindle speed increases, the MRR value decreases. Of course, as we have discussed in number of processes, as we are traveling with the high velocity, so it will get less time to remove the material on the particular surface area only. So you will get the less MRR if you are increasing the surface spindle speed. And also you will get the rough surface if you increase the spindle speed. Same in also feed rate. Now advantage of this process tolerance up to you can achieve up to the plus or minus 0.005 means 5 micron. You can achieve plus or minus 5 micron. Material hardness does not affect the process. So material hardness is not the uh, main or it will not affect the process parameter. Cutting complex shape and thin walled configuration without distortion. Wire EDG is no contact, no force process, means you don't require any special attachment, and there is a no burst after the machining process. Only able to grind conductive material. This is a disadvantage. More expensive process than the conventional milling process. As we have discussed, it is the use only for the grinding, grinding of the conductive material. And second is the very expensive. If you have a special application of any component, suppose you have a very close tolerance, it's like a 5 micron, so you can produce that surface by using the wire EDG process. So this is a part of the EDM process, and but it is used only for the special application. So this is all about the wire EDG process. Okay, thank you.